I have discussed how to create a pivot table and few basic customizations in pivot table. This pivot table is created from this data dump. The sales value in this pivot table is in actual figures, therefore these numbers are in different lengths. For example, few numbers are 4-digit, few are 5-digit and more. It's somehow difficult to read these numbers because of these different lengths. If these numbers can be converted to lakhs or millions, with or without decimal points, then it will be uniform data and will be easily readable, like this pivot table. In this video, I will guide you how to convert any value in lakhs, crores, millions, etc. Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. Figures showing in this pivot table under product 1 to product 6 are sales value derived from this column. You cannot change any value within pivot table. If you do so, it will give you error like this. So there is another option for you. You have to convert the sales column to lakhs or millions, but changing the base data is not a good idea. Excel has other solutions. Let us convert these numbers in lakhs very easily. Before that, please don't forget to select any cell within the pivot table. Go to Analyze menu. Under Calculations tab, click this icon, Fields, Items and Sets. From the drop-down list, select Calculated Field option. A new window opens. Insert Calculated Fields. But what is calculated field? Calculated fields are formulas that can refer to other fields in the pivot table. In simple language, it will create another column based on your customization. It can be mathematical formula, it can be Excel formula. Let's understand this. In this small window, we have two text boxes, one fields list. The first text box is name. You can type any text here which will be used as column header. Let's type value cells. In the next text box, which is formula box, we have a equal to sign and 0. Remove the 0. We need to convert the sales value into lakhs. From the field list, select the sales field and click on Insert Field button. Or you can double click on this field. The field will move to formula text box. Now we will type the formula to convert sales value to lakhs. Hit backslash, which is division operator in Excel, and type 1 lakh. For that, type 1 and 5 zeros. Click on Add button and OK button. Our pivot table columns increased. Now right click on the pivot table and left click the last option from the pop-up options, Show Field List. It will open the pivot table fields floating window. It is floating because you can detach it from here and position anywhere within the Excel. Now in this value box, this is our old field and this is our new field. Remove the old field. Left mouse click on the field and select Remove Field option, or you can drag and drop this field in this field list box. Now this data is converted to lakhs. If you want, you can increase or decrease the decimal points. To remove any calculated field, go to the same option. Go to Analyze menu. Under Calculations tab, click this icon, Fields, Items and Sets. From the Insert Calculated Field window, select the calculated field from the drop down and click on this Delete button. Click OK. The calculated field will be removed. Let me do it again using caret sign. Caret sign works same as power function in mathematics. Instead of writing 1 and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 for 1 lakh, we can write 10, then caret, then 5, meaning 10 to the power 5. The caret sign is Shift plus 6 key in your keyboard. It will work as 1 lakh. Let's type it. Click Add button, then OK. Now if you check carefully, the fields in this window we will get a newly created calculated field at the bottom of the list. This is our custom calculated field column header. This is one of the amazing features in Excel. In my next video, I will show you few more customization settings in pivot table. How to maintain the pivot table if the dump file increases in size or you need to add more items in the dump file. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and click the subscribe button to get modern Excel tutorial notifications. Thank you for your interest.